Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and robotics in fischertechnik. The focus with this video is on my driving robot Discovery based on the TXT controller with active sonar, a camera and front sensors, with also a propeller right here to indicate whether the algorithm is still running, two switches which are needed in case of use of a battery pack, which can be placed here and here, but for now it's on an AC adapter. Two issues remain so far: moving in a straight line consequently, and color separation in the sense of detecting green and yellow. Red is no problem, but the other two are. So either one of those is being addressed in this video. As you can see, it's changed to screencast with terminal code or code terminal, execution terminal and an image CV2 terminal. Computer vision, second version, as well as RoboPro. And this still works. As soon as I execute, this has to be closed. And obviously the camera view. Let's start and see whatever happens. Well, things do work so far. Let's take red for now. And all these passwords, well, it's just for sending it. And right now, a nice ride, almost straight on. And by the halting of the fan, you know that the algorithm has ended. So that's a nice one. Now, another thing. What does the image say? And let's take this one, for example. Yeah, kind of. Okay, that works. So display is a command from ImageMagick, and the ampersand shows makes that it is being started, and I get a prompt background execution. So that's the first alright test. Then what would it do with either yellow or green? And like last times, that will be a black image. And for that, I will have to see into the source code whatever is going wrong there. So for now here, only yellow is being implemented, but even that is the big question. Why things go wrong here?